Alright everybody, I have not actually got the, let's just say the brake or anything, any of that cable set up, but I do have the hall wires, the original hall wires, kind of just connecting here to my new little motor controller here, the display here, and as you can see it does turn on, which is really nice. That's good. I think these are for lights. I'm going to be checking the voltage on that to see if I can actually get the lights to work, and maybe even get them to work with the brake as well, so the brake lights will actually turn on. But right now all these colors, they do match. If you clip this off from the original motor controller, there will be 6 wires on here, and one of them is, I can't see if you see it there, kind of that purplish one closest to me right now. Next to the blue, that one is actually conjoining to the white wire, but other than that, all the other colors are completely matching, so that's really nice. I'll have to get to all these other wires later, but I've got all the connections just, soldered up really nicely with some heat shrink on it. The original 3 cable, blue, green, and yellow there, that one is also, those are also soldered. I left the heat shrink not shrunk on there in case these wires were misconnected somehow. Sometimes I know you gotta, switch around 2 or something like that. So I'm gonna be, getting the rest of this all hooked up, but right now it works really well. I'll kind of show you a little demonstration right here. So you just hold the power button until it turns on. It starts on mode 1, gear 1, and let's just see kind of what it does. It wants to actually display a speed. However, I'm not sure, how accurate that is, and I know there is a setting on here to convert that to miles per hour. I'm pretty sure as well. But that's just, gear 1. That's pretty good. What I find amazing, really cool, that kind of shocked me, is press mode to go to gear 2. And let's kind of see what it does here. It's like about double the speed. I think that's crazy. If it can actually haul, me down the street going that fast, well, I'd be surprised. But, that's only 2nd gear. And here is 3rd gear. You guys won't even believe this. This is almost crazy fast. If you can hear that, it's wanting to bring me up to 52 kilometers an hour just from, this little guy's settings. And I think there's like some kind of, it kind of does a cruise control. No, maybe not. Sometimes it kind of holds it there. I might have to play around with the settings because that's kind of dangerous when it just holds the speed. And I don't know how to stop it other than just kind of flick the throttle here. But that's really crazy though. So I'll be getting the rest of this hooked up, and stay tuned, and you guys will be able to see the rest of, how to get it hooked up properly. Maybe if I can get these lights working, I'll show you guys how to wire those up as well. But right now the only thing I got hooked up are the power to the motor, the hall wires to the motor, the LED display and throttle, and the power, and that's pretty much it. And this thing is, not warm at all, and that was just from me, hauling butt on this thing's throttle. But, maybe when it has some actual load on the motor, this thing might get heating up a little bit, but I'm kind of surprised at the fact that this is not, hot at all. It's, just as cold as when I plugged it up. So, also, I guess, just for you guys starting out, don't be scared, because it kind of freaked me out a little bit, was when I first plugged up the power wires, that's kind of the, end all be all, is when you plug the power connectors in. It kind of made a quick spark pop, and then you could hear the capacitors inside the motor controller, just kind of filling up, and so you kind of just heard a little whistle through there, and then it dissipates, and everything's all good now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video, and stay tuned, and I'll be able to get back with you with some more information. Thank you, and y'all have a great day.